I'm from Ukraine originally, and imagine like 8 years ago in the middle of nowhere, I had no recording studios and no future, and I was just like a regular kid from a poor family. And after a year I spent in the university, I dropped out. I was a waiter, I was a gardener, I was like a construction worker, office worker, and I hated basically every job that I had, that I ever worked on. I would like to spend my free time like making beats in my tiny room, and music was always my dream. It was the only thing that like brought a sense of meaning into my life, but making a living off of music felt like just so far away from me, just kind of surreal. But just when I was like about to throw the towel in, I discovered Kobe basically. When I was trying to get results on my own, like there were a few things that were holding me back. It's like so much information on the internet, and like going through it all and just testing everything is basically impossible. And I was like underpricing my hard work too, you know, and selling myself short for a long time. I felt like I was not getting the value that I deserve for my talent. Also, like, you don't know what you don't know. It's always a person from like another perspective that can tell you all your mistakes. And what I also didn't understand is that like cheap stuff attracts people who are hard to sell, you know. Go figure it out. And people who are looking for high quality products are not attracted by cheap stuff and by cheap prices, you know. And if you sell low ticket beats, then you're just signaling that they are not the best quality, even if they are good quality, but they're perceived as low quality. And if you don't value your beats yourself, then why should anyone else value them higher? After joining the program, I had almost immediate success because I was already prepared. Like, I did some phone calls with artists before, but just Kobe had this new system and it was very well structured. And like with Kobe's method, I started getting like incredible results within the first month or the first 2 months implementing it. My usual income went like from 700. First month I got like over 3,000, and at first I couldn't believe it, and I thought it was like just luck. But then I realized that I was able to like consistently sell offers for like $500 or more multiple times a week, and it was life changing for me and my family, because like my biggest selling month was $8,000 so far, 8K, and I finally had like a reliable income and freedom to pursue my passion for music full time, you know. Now I could also support my family back home while still traveling like through amazing places like Bali or Thailand, and living the life that I always dreamed of. And like before I joined Kobe Mastermind, I was selling like cheap beats for like 20, 50 bucks, leases, and mixing and mastering for 50 bucks and stuff like that. And I even lowered these prices during like some holidays to make people buy something like on a sale, you know, quick sale. But you know, now I'm able to sell unlimited beat packs for like $500 or exclusive rights for $750. That's my offers. And my honest thoughts about like the whole journey to get here is that like it's definitely rewarding, but you just need to be prepared to put in the work, you know. And for anyone who wants to join the program but thinks like if it's worth it or no, or not worth it, I was like in the same position, and it took me over 7 years to finally start earning like consistent, reliable income from beats. And me and my family can rely on it, so it's definitely like life-changing. And you cannot rely on YouTube or social media algorithms hoping to go viral. It's not like a business strategy, you know. Organic growth, it can take like years and years before it pays off. And instead, Kobe shows you like how you can attract the artists that you want now, today, and that's the difference. You can keep going. You can keep like uploading beats to YouTube and getting 50 views on your videos, and like passing the buck to the algorithm, kind of, or you can just like get in the driver's seat and start selling beats on your terms and your prices. And if you think you need a like huge following or placements to make a living off beats, then it's not true at all. A lot of people making music and having placements, but almost nobody makes a living of music, you know. The choice is yours. And this was basically my story, my thoughts on Kobe's mastermind. I'm really grateful for Kobe because he was a life-changing person for me. And yeah, if you have any questions, just reach out to me or for Kobe, and I'm glad to like give you any other insights on the mastermind or any feedback. Have a nice day and shout out from Bali. Peace.